just need to learn Tableau and SQL. For data analyst, you need to learn Tableau or Power BI. Then you need to learn SQL and advanced Excel, again Python itself. So a lot of skills required for the data analyst.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm aware of that.
Exactly.
But this session is going to be teaching for us to be
Only
become a
Tableau itself.
Tableau
Only
developer.
Tableau itself.
Okay.
Tableau developer. Yeah. Yeah. Suppose after this complete the workshop for 10 days, and you are doing the practicing on Tableau itself, and also you work on a SQL, then you can easily get a job as a Tableau developer fresher.
Oh yeah, great.
You just keep practicing on Tableau desktop almost 15 days to 1 month, right? Again, you work on SQL itself, then you can easily get a job as a fresher as well. You can go as a experience as well. It's go because companies are nowadays providing on a Tableau developer. You just need to work on almost 1.5 months.
Yeah, but again, why do we need to learn SQL?
Because nowadays companies are mandatory to work on SQL, because as of now we are working on data, right? SQL is mandatory. If you go with any course, data analysis, data science, Tableau developer, Power BI developer, or BI developer, or business intelligence, or business analytics, SQL is mandatory.
Yeah, for data ingestion from that data source
Anything,
to this.
because without SQL doesn't work anything, right? SQL is primary most important thing. You know, without SQL, we can't visualize anything. Without SQL, we can't save the data itself, right? So SQL is the most priority is important nowadays, because previously what happened that SQL is not taking much important, right? Nowadays, companies definitely ask that we should know SQL basics at it.
Yeah. So like this session,
Minimum.
Tableau, you're conducting SQL session also later.
No, after this completed, let's think about that SQL session as well. And let's try to do this as well. Now for this is only Tableau workshop where you can learn visualization, where you can learn we can do dashboards and reports and stories.
So do we need any SQL basics to learn this Tableau as
Now
of now?
don't need to learn basic SQLs. Why I'm telling to learn basic SQL? Why? Because learning is not main thing. If I tell that you just learn the Tableau and go with the job, when you go to the job, then start with difficulties. Now interviewer asks that at least basic SQL question. Now you can understand that basic SQL question, if you prepared nowadays itself, then you can easily prepare for the interview, right? That's even I done the interviews as well. Even whatever the interviews question I asked, that I know that. That's why you should prepare first day itself. It's my you know uh, thing itself.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
tell me,
nowadays,
Zakir.
in current scenario, they are expecting a Tableau developer to be full end-to-end developer. He has to do end-to-end activities. Apart from that, they are asking intermediate SQL, and even they are asking server level also. Can we get
Definitely,
somewhat
definitely.
like a little bit related to Tableau server?
Tableau server, definitely. What's happening that Zakir? Nowadays companies they are preferring more, they are nowadays companies try to cover the more roles. They want to cover Tableau desktop as well, they want to cover SQL as well, they want to cover Tableau server as well. Some of the companies that they want to cover Tableau admin as well.
Yes.
So no, I will try to cover all these activities in the minimum period. But don't worry, if it we will not to cover, right, we will take more sessions on this.
Like, can we get to work on a real time at least one project so that we can have
Definitely.
a clear idea like how things goes into a real uh,
Real
world
experience.
of Tableau
Yeah,
developer?
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
definitely. After completing the workshop, right, you will get projects, and you need to work on at least 10 to 15 days. Then you can mail it to me. I can check the projects, and you can get an experience that how the projects it works, how the visualization it thing works, how we create the dashboards and how we create the reports, right? So minimum I can try to assign 1 or 2 minimum 1 or 2 reports, so we can assign to that, so we can do that.
Like the main thing is the like analyzing of data. How we can start the first step of like analyzing data before like building any visualizations and everything. How can we analyze the data and how can we clean the data?
That is doing by ETL tool, So in the ETL tool, we are data cleaning, data modeling. Again, the um, from the when null values are there, we can remove that. That is done by the ETL tool. So that is the separate Tableau is there. Tableau Prep Builder. There is a separate application app there, Tableau Prep Builder. With the help of Tableau Prep Builder, we can analyze the data and clean the data. Again, what kind of null values are there, we can check that. Again, whatever the values are be wrong mentioned, then we can remove that with the help of Tableau Prep Builder. For the Tableau desktop, we can visualize, we can create dashboards and reports. Am I clear, Rajat? Or else,
Yeah.
Hi Dinesh. Nash.
yeah,
So
clear
can
with
you
that?
take a look on in the group? So many people are failing to join the group, join the meeting.
Okay, okay, okay. Just 1 second.
And I think 15 minutes is up.
Mm. So Rajat, so whatever the questions you ask, I can answer it, right?
Well,
Or else,
well, Dinesh, first I want to introduce myself. First,
okay.
thank you for arranging this workshop. I'm very glad that you are just taking all the guys on the one from the beginners platform to the experienced one. That's really nice of you. Well, I have already 12 to 13 years of job experience, and right now I am working for one of the US company and as an MIS manager in Gurgaon.
It's great.
So already I'm working on Excel. So my reason for joining this is I'm just want to update my skill and I want to switch the job in a professional manner. But somehow I little bit I know a little bit of Tableau, but not up to that mark to which I can crack the interviews. So that's why I joined here. Well, thanks for
Definitely,
arranging that workshop. Thanks,
definitely it's
Dinesh.
helpful to, yeah, definitely it's helpful to, improve the skills as well. And definitely it's helpful to the, working culture as well. If you go in a working in the data, then definitely it's helpful that table.
Yeah, thanks for this, Dinesh.
Thank you, Rajat. And anybody want to introduce yourself? Priya, Hari, everybody is silence, right? That's why. Hello.
Yeah, hi Dinesh. This is
Yeah,
Nash.
Ganesh. Yeah,
I have,
introduce yourself to.
yeah. So currently I'm working as an ETL developer. Like you guys were just discussing the ETL thing. Right now I'm working at an Accenture. Right now I have
Okay.
2 years of experience approximately. And I just wanted to expand my like kind of data engineering skills. So as of now, like we are working on Unix, SQL, and every issue. So just
Avinash,
wanted to.
your voice little bit low. Can you speak loudly?
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you can audible now.
Yeah, so like right now, like I'm working on like I'm having a tech stock of SQL app issue, which is our ETL tool.
Okay.
So
Okay.
just wanted to explore into the like data analytics, like this app Tableau thing, like how like it can help. Okay, and like what are the things which we can do being a data analyst or like Tableau developer. So yeah, so kind of interesting. Interested for this session.
Definitely, it's really interesting. Once you started with the working on data, right, you will be addictive. It is my 100% choice. Avinash.
Yeah, I'm hoping for the same, and like people here are like having
Because
like multiple year of
most of,
experiences. So
yeah, yeah. If you started with the working on data, right, you will understand more and you will attract you more as well.
Yes, Dinesh.
Dinesh, I have one question.
Yeah, yeah, tell
Uh,
me, Abhijit.
after switching a job as a Tableau developer, like with the skill set of Tableau, Excel, and SQL, right? So, are we able to jump into the career of data engineering?
Data engineering, it's, you need to add more skills.
Yep, like Python.
Yeah, like Python, again Snowflake, again Teradata, again to add data lakes, again again machine learning models, again lot of things you need to add.
So,
It's quite
what about
difficult.
Azure? What about Azure data engineering? Only Azure. If
Azure
we can
data,
go for the Azure one, Azure
Azure
platform.
data engineering, we can do it, but you just need to add more skill set on that. You need to add more
All right.
skills.
so like
Guys,
just
can we
kind
officially start? Because these questions, I think we can answer them as we move along. Right now, it's more of an individual thing. Can we officially start as a group, please?
Yeah, that's right.
Dinesh, over to you. Please, can we start?
Yeah, yeah, I'm going to start. I just wait for the more 5 minutes because people has been joining again. So give me 5 minutes. I will be start soon.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
Uh, Hello, sir. Good. Sahil Sheikh here.
Yeah, tell me, Sheikh.
Sir, you are going to assign some projects or some assignments while doing this training
Okay. If
for
you
just
want the
practice,
project,
like.
then I will assign that. And the projects will be those people who want to interested to work on that, right? If you want to
Yeah, yeah.
interested, definitely I will share that. Don't need to worry about this.
Okay, okay,
Dinesh, we
because
can.
I'm a fresher, so I don't have any knowledge about all those things. So that's why.
Don't need to worry. I will help you. Don't need to worry.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, Dinesh, I think it's better to form groups and work on the projects so that we will have some kind of a set.
Definitely, definitely. Let's. I will create the group for the project itself. Those people who want to interested to work on that.
Sure.
Hi, Dinesh. Am I audible?
Dinesh, are you there?
So can we start? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yes,
yeah.
please
Yes,
let's
First of
start.
yes,
all,
we can.
Yeah,
so
Dinesh,
it's
please move on.
almost too late. I understand that because people still joining. So no worry. We can start now. So first of all, a little bit about explain about myself. So welcome everyone to my free Tableau workshop. My name is Dinesh, and as a Tableau developer and freelancer and trainer with 3 years of experience, the data field. So my goal is to provide valuable learning opportunities for those you may have financial limitations, financial limitation that I just supporting will help me continue to offer those workshops that they can, easily learn that. So let's make data visualization accessible for all, and let's build a community where we can learn and grow and help each other with our Tableau skills. Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Dinesh.
Dinesh.
Yeah, my screen visible.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's visible. Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, Thank you so much for the confirming. So first of all, what is Tableau? So Tableau is is a visualization tool. So it is a very fastest growing data visualization tool which is used in the business intelligence industry. It helps to simplifying the raw data very easily understandable format. Tableau helps to create can we understand the professional in a level organization. It also allows to non-technical user to create dashboards as well. So it is nothing but we can create the visualization things like dashboards and reports against stories as well. In the market, other BI tools are available like Power BI, ClickSense, ClickView, again in a Plotly. So, what about you meaning the Tableau is that? Anyone tell that? Hello?
Can I try?
Yeah,
Finish?
I can.
Please share. Like it is more user friendly than other UI tools like like other visualization tools.
Yeah. So Tableau is nothing but is a visualization tool where you can creating the reports as well, dashboards as well. And Tableau, Power BI, they are even Plotly, even there are all the tools are business intelligence tools. So you have get an idea that what we are learning, right? Anybody have doubt on that?
No, sir.
No, that's okay.
So
Just
let's
want
go
to
No.
to the
ask you.
begin.
I just want to ask you, how rich is Tableau in terms of DAX formula as we compare with Power BI? How good is it in terms of maybe you need to do some calculations, some filtering, calculate functionality? How rich is it?
Tableau is more, it is Tableau and when you're comparing Tableau and Power BI, right? Power BI have more functionalities and more features. But when you are working on the large data set, right? When you're working on the large data, then you can choose to prefer Tableau itself because Tableau can handle the large data itself. Even the calculations, even the part of even LOD's calculations, everything you can easily do it in the tablet itself. But when you're working on the large data set, Tableau is a first choice in an industry. If you're comparing the futures is a really good in a Power BI. But for the small industries, small scale industries, right? They have a limited data, then they can choose Power BI. When you're working on the large data set, right, then you need to choose Tableau itself because Tableau is work mostly large data set.
Thank you for clarity.
And
Anything,
Dinesh, like for data cleaning and data preparation, which one do you think is better, Tableau or Power BI?
Power BI, choice.
Hmm. So here
Power
in this
BI is
workshop,
more,
yeah, you will teach the
yeah.
data cleaning and preparation as well.
No, in this workshop, you just need learn. You need you are learning on how to create reports, dashboards, and stories as well. So it is a part of visualization only.
Okay.
So now, if you see in my
So
screen,
so we
yeah,
hello.
yeah, ask,
So we just see and learn, or we have to practice it, because I guess Tableau is not a paid free version.
not worry. Tableau public version is free version where we can practice it and where we can, doing all kind of dashboards and stories itself.
Okay, I have tried that public version, but it's very difficult to save the dashboards there.
That's understand that. That's you need to, if you have any ID card or any school ID card, to try to arrange that, and we can download Tableau Desktop Professional version, and we will get a 1 year free subscription. Then we can easily work on that.
1 year or 14 days trial?
Okay, thank you.
14 days trial is something that it's free. If I want to just try to, for 14 days itself, then we can work on that. No, we want to work on tablet itself and we need to, upgrade my skill for the continuously, then we go as, for 1 year plan for the with the help of ID card, school ID card.
Okay.
So let's start together. So my screen is visible.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So if you go to the look into the dashboard, this is a design of sample dashboard. So now we are creating the dashboard. So these are design that how we creating dashboard. So this is sample dashboard, and look into the next. So what are the Tableau products are there? So I'm going to explain one by one. So one is the Tableau desktop. So Tableau desktop is a data visualization and business intelligence software now which we are need to be learn. So this is the whole workshop will be cover only Tableau desktop only. So Tableau products is first product is Tableau desktop. I know where we are creating the charts as well, where we can create the stories, dashboards, and many more. And again, Tableau can integrate with other tools platforms such as R, Python, Salesforce, enhance the capabilities. And come to the server. Tableau server is a web-based platform that allows the organization to share the collaborate on a growing Tableau workbook. So whatever you are creating the dashboards in a Tableau desktop. Suppose example, I'm creating this dashboard and I want to save it into the Tableau server, right? Then we can use Tableau server. Instead of I'm saying that whatever I'm creating the worksheets, dashboards, stories, and I want to save it. Now in this scenario, we can use Tableau server. And Tableau server we can use with the help of saving purpose. Now, suppose Rajat has created dashboard, right? Rajat has been created dashboard and stories Excel, and now you want to save it. Then we can use it Tableau server, and we can save it into Tableau server. So basically, Tableau server is it is a web-based platform where we can all the organization worksheets, organization dashboards, we can share it and we can collaborate that. And Tableau server, it allows the users to publish Tableau workbook and dashboards on the web itself. So are you get it?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
So I want
Yes.
more interactive sessions, right? I don't want like I'm just talking and you're just listening, right? It should be a more interactive session. It should be talk with me directly. It is not like I'm just talking itself. So first of all, just explain me Tableau. What is a Tableau desktop? Anybody explain me? Just now I'm explained, right? What is a Tableau
It's a
desktop?
visualization. Can I?
Charts.
So okay,
It's a
charts.
visualization tool. By the Tableau desktop, we can create charts, reports, and we can show the insights about our data.
Okay, and anybody can try. Nilesh.
Uh, and yeah, like it's a kind of version in which we can take, like we can use data source from various data sources, like not only Excel, we can also connect through various server, micro MS SQL server,
Fantastic,
MySQL servers.
fantastic, fantastic,
Yeah,
fantastic.
like
We
in
can
Tableau
cover with
Public,
the, yeah, yeah.
in Tableau
Explain.
Public, we only can connect to only to data such as Excel. I think so. Yeah, dot CSV and Excel only. But in Tableau
Okay,
desktop, we can connect to various data sources.
that's fine. Because of its professional version, we can cover n number of data sets, and we can connect, we can blend the data in the Tableau desktop. That's you're absolutely right. Excellent, Nilesh. Excellent. And anybody can try. Rajat.
Yeah, yeah. In Tableau desktop, we can fetch the data from the various sources according to the according to the requirement getting from the client, and present them the dashboards. Means present in the output in the dashboard, and the dashboard in charts and different types of charts to fulfill the requirement. And for saving that dashboards, we use Tableau server.
That's great, Rajat. That's great. I want more interactive sessions as well. It's just instead of, I'm just, telling everything and you just listening. It's boring, right?
Can you just answer one doubt, Dinesh?
Yeah, yeah. Just ask.
Yeah. So, like, as you mentioned here, like, in order to save the reports or dashboards, we will be using Tableau servers. So, like,
Mm.
isn't it some kind of like drawback, like with Tableau desktop, like if a user want to save the reports locally on the host itself, so can't we do it there
We
only?
can do it because of its company data, right? It is the when you're working on the company data, when you're working on company reports, then
Not audible. Is it same with others?
yeah. Hello, Avinash, I'm audible.
Yeah, yeah. Now you're audible.
Yeah, yeah. So when you're working with the company data, right, it is a very confidential information you're handling, right? Now, you are just, companies never allows, to save the worksheet or save the dashboards in your personal
Understood.
folder on other.
Understood.
Yeah.
So, in simple
So
terms, it's like when we are working on some enterprise data where
yeah,
like
enterprise
a lot
data.
of people are
Even itself, when you're working on the any company data, right? Companies never allows to save the files, even personal folder itself, because data is a really important thing, right? You should understand, right? And companies,
understood.
they can even companies never allows to do this, and they will give access to the tablet server, and they've given a ID and password of tablet server, where whatever you're creating in the dashboards, right, you can save it.
Understood. Thank
Because
Yeah, Dinesh,
yeah, tell me.
yeah, how Tableau give opportunity to take a data from like we currently data is in many sources. It's like on premises, clouds, and some the other servers. So consider it's under in old technology, even in mainframe we have data. So is Tableau is getting a options to take from all the sources, or is there any minimum options to
No, is
take the
that
data?
lot of an option? Yeah. So is that lot of an options are there? Tableau can integrate the data from the different sources, even SQL, even Oracle, even AWS. Lot of platforms we can integrate the data, and we can combine the data with the help of data blending.
Okay.
Even consider as AWS, even consider as Oracle, even consider as Hadoop, Spark. Consider as anything of data you have, you can combine it. Even text format,
I've
even
seen
CSV file. Yeah, tell me, Vishnu.
Yeah, I've seen Tableau can take data from SAP also.
Definitely, I'm telling right. You can n number of data sets you can combine, right? Even part of Oracle, Adobe, Spark, even AWS, even
Is
lot
there
of
a
yeah.
option to take them one mainframe?
Yeah, definitely we'll go through with that. We'll go through with that. I'm just explaining the basic things, then we go to the installation part, and then we will start with the basics thing. Then I'm going to the visualization charts as well. Everything I'm doing. I'm going just step by step.
Dinesh, one last question. So in Tableau
Yeah,
server, no coding, right?
no coding required. Tableau server is just saving the file purpose. We are creating the a separate file, and we are just we just save the file into the Tableau server itself. It is saving purpose only. We can save the because Tableau server is more secure, right? That's why.
Okay.
I need to understand is Tableau, does Tableau support real-time analytics in terms of taking something from the source directly in a real time?
Can you pardon? Owen? Owen, can you pardon this?
Can you hear me? Does
Yeah, I
Tableau
can hear.
support real-time streaming of data?
Yeah, definitely. It's a real-time updates can automatically capture, right? Tableau have two connections out there. One is the live connection and one is the extract connection. Tableau is automatically connect with data and automatically update the data without any doing that. Tableau is automatically doing everything, updating data itself. You're just doing one time and Tableau instead of doing automatically, you just need to do one time itself.
So is it possible to check a transaction from SQL Server directly without normally on Power BI, we normally do the refresh at a certain interval. Does that one supports a real-time streaming?
Definitely it support, definitely it support that. Even it depends upon that which data set you are working on that. If you're working on live data set, it's automatically connect and automatically update because live connection data, it gives to the enhanced that data will be automatically updated.
Thank you.
Oh, anything,
Thank
you
you.
know, anything questions you want to ask one? Just feel free to ask one, just like, trying to understand about more questions where I'm trying to clear all the questions of that.
So
It's not
Dinesh,
about,
like
yeah.
yeah, Tableau server is not like SQL server kind of like there is no
No, no,
server
no,
based
no, no,
admin something like that. Not
no,
right.
no. Tableau server is, I'm going to explain second as well. So, okay, just 1 second. So now you asked, right, Tableau server. So first of all, Tableau server is the workbook and dashboards into the web application that it is the can be accessed with the user with the organization. And Tableau server, it is only accessible to the Tableau administrator. When you're saving to the any file, right, you need credentials, and that credential will be given by Tableau administrator. And control and access to data workbook by setting by user role and permissions. Schedule data refreshes and set up alerts with data changes, and collaborate or workbook dashboards in real time, and monitor users performance of workbook with dashboards itself. So now you understand that Tableau desktop and Tableau server, right? Anybody have questions with Tableau desktop and Tableau server? Alan, Abhijit?
Ta- could you explain Tableau server again, sir, please?
Okay, Tableau server, right? Let's suppose Abhishek, right?
Abhishek, yeah, yes.
Yeah, Abhishek, suppose you have created this kind of, yeah, Abhishek, suppose you have created this kind of dashboard, right? Now you want to save
Yes.
it in a particular folder. Then we are
Okay.
using Tableau server.
Okay, it's like a backend server to save the data or to process to get
Definitely.
again.
Uh,
No.
yeah, definitely. Now, suppose whatever you are creating the dashboards or a report. Suppose now you can see my screen, right? This sample dashboard. Suppose you have created sample dashboard. Now you want to save it in a particular folder for the for particular folder. Then we are using Tableau server. Then at the time, I just want to save this dashboard into the Tableau server. Then that purpose we are going to use Tableau server.
Okay.
And Ankit, Archana, any doubt?
Dinesh,
Archana, yeah,
Dinesh,
Ranjit, tell
can
me.
you mute all guys? There are some background noise from some of the
Okay,
guys.
okay, sure. I will mute all.
yeah, Dinesh.
Yeah, Vishnu, tell me. Hello,
Hello.
Vishnu, you are asking something, right?
Yeah, yeah. Am I audible now?
You're audible. Tell me.
Yeah. Does Tableau have something like in like Power BI, the Power Query editor, where we can, clean the data once we loaded?
Definitely. In the Power BI, we have a separate Power Query is there, right? But in a Tableau
Yes,
server,
Power
we
Query.
have a separate application is there that is Tableau Pre-Builder. Then the Tableau Pre-Builder, we can use it, clean the data, and extract the data again, uh, using find the null values again, removing the null values again. Everything we can do, even beauty of the data itself, everything we can do with that with the help of Tableau Pre-Builder.
We just have to feed the data into that.
Yeah, Sanjay, tell me.
No, do we have to just feed the data into that prep builder so that it will
Yeah.
clean and
Yeah, that is,
prepare?
yeah. So we have in the Tableau Pre-Builder, right? In the if you open the Power BI or Power Query, right? You see a lot of an options. It seems like Tableau Pre-Builder. When you just load the data set, then you get a lot of an options of that cleaning the data again. During the remove the null values again, remove the column again, rename the column name again, remove the aliases. Everything you have options out there.
I
Okay.
guess it does also support the custom columns too.
Yeah, everything you can do. Even custom columns, even split the columns again, even remove the null values. Everything we can do it with the help of Tableau Preparer. So now, anybody question I want to? Archana, are you there?
Yes, I'm good, thanks. Please
Can
continue.
you explain about Tableau Server?
Yeah, it's a web-based server application where you can save the files, workbooks, wherever, and multiple users can access it with the
Why we use Tableau
credentials.
Server? I don't want to use Tableau Server. Then what I do?
Sorry?
I don't want to use Tableau Server. Then what do you do?
You save it to your desktop,
I don't
local
want to use
machine.
Tableau Server. Then
You can use the
okay.
cloud-based.
That's great. That's great. So because Tableau server, it's another option is Tableau cloud. That's great answer, Rachana. I'm just checking that you have looking for not. Again,
Yeah, yeah.
anybody's yeah. Abhijit, Abhijit.
Sorry for the interruption, actually, Dinesh. I mean, I just want to know that is a Tableau online, right? There is a Tableau cloud
That
also
is
there.
a Tableau online, Tableau cloud is both are same, right? Names are same, but just names are different. Everything is same. So we are moving to the
Oh,
next slide. So a Tableau online. Now we learn Tableau server, right? Now we are learning Tableau online. So Tableau server is web-based platform, but Tableau online, it is cloud-based platform. So whatever we are creating the files, right, we will save into the Tableau online, and that files will be saved into the cloud-based version. So that is the difference between Tableau server and Tableau online. Where Tableau server we can save into the web-based platform, and Tableau online it is totally completely cloud-based version. Let's see differences. What is the comparison between Tableau server and Tableau cloud? So Tableau cloud it is working on SaaS, and again it is a very secure. Again it is a managed infrastructure. It is a Tableau cloud because of it is a cloud-based version Tableau server. And Tableau server is public dashboard where you can survey and collaborate with your team. It is completely web-based, web-based platform. There is nothing more difference in that. It is a this Tableau server is web-based platform and Tableau cloud is totally cloud-based platform.
Say in terms of collaboration, um, does it offer the functionality whereby I can send to a distributed list? Maybe I need to reshare my dashboard. Does license come into effect in terms of sharing? How does it work? Maybe in terms of licensing, if I need to redistribute that report maybe to executives.
Okay. When you now, okay, I will explain you. Don't worry. So when you any file when you in any file, even dashboard in a reports, if you're saving any file into the Tableau server or Tableau cloud, it will it will save under the your name, and you can choose that which you want to take an access. Suppose let's suppose I want to give an access to the Abhishek, right? I want to give an access to the Abhishek. Now, in that folder, I can give to the access to the Abhishek only. I can choose it which persons can view my dashboards. I can choose it which person, which peoples want to be allowed check my data. I can choose it itself. Or
Does that
else,
person need to have a license, a valid license, in terms
definitely
of
you need
subscription
license.
or?
Definitely, yeah. Even Tableau server, Tableau desktop, Tableau online. This is all three are license-based version. We need license. Nothing is free. Even Tableau desktop is not free. Tableau desktop is professional version. Is free for only students, for those who want to learn Tableau, right?
Okay, so in
Yeah.
terms of licensing, may you take us maybe some breakdowns? Maybe we might wish to take Tableau in the future.
Yeah, I suppose
How does they
after
normally, in terms of their subscription licensing, does it come in enterprises or maybe
definitely license
it's
part
per license or per call?
without licensing nothing will be done, right? Licensing part, definitely if you're doing the paid activities, if you are purchasing the paid version, they will give a license to you, right? And every even Tableau desktop, Tableau server, Tableau online, these all are paid these all are paid versions. If you purchase, they will give a license, and that is license maybe 1 year, that is license maybe depends on your requirement. Nothing is free, right? Owen, are you understanding?
One thing.
Owen?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Anyone? Who is this?
Yeah, I was asking that you will discuss the Tableau prep as well, like how to clean the data and everything.
I will
Yes,
try
I
to
do
discuss.
understand. I was just
Mhm.
a little bit curious in terms of maybe they might have some flexible in terms of like what in wind. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I'm
I
hearing
thought
you. Tell
maybe
me, tell me. I'm hearing you. Tell me one. One? I'm audible.
I thought maybe they might have some flexible in terms of licensing. Maybe there is maybe license per core, whereby it can take several people?
It is totally depends on the company to company, right? If they want Tableau online or Tableau desktop, they want licensing or not. It is totally depends on that. Even come to the licensing part, if you want to take a license, suppose let's go to the practical mode, right? Okay. Now, if you check that, right? Now this is a Tableau client. This is a Tableau, directly website is there. This is a Tableau cloud version. We can go to the Explore Cloud. Now you can see, right? So, what is mentioned, right? Tableau Cloud is a new Tableau online experience is fully hosted cloud-based enterprise. A great solution in the world analytic platform at a fast, flexible, easy to use self-service platform. Again, come down. So here is a Tableau exchange that again accelerator, dashboard extension, connections. Again, Tableau for Slack itself. So lot even if you want to buy a Tableau, right? We can go for buy Tableau. Again, even now hosting options are there, Tableau Cloud, Tableau Server. Now, Tableau created, it is Tableau Cloud at $70. Again, Tableau Server is $70 user month build. Again, it is Tableau Cloud $40. Tableau Server is $35. Again, Tableau View $15. So we can purchase according to the requirement. One, are you seeing that?
Yes, thank you for this clarity. I can see the lessons type from creator, explorer, and
Suppose,
viewer. Thank you very much.
suppose I want, right?
Cloud.
Suppose, come to this part, okay? Now you ask, right? I want Tableau Cloud, right? I can use this Tableau Cloud or Tableau Server, whichever, where I connect the data, I can build widgets and publish dashboards into Tableau Desktop, and every deployment requires one creator. So license type, what is you asked me, right? License type. One.
Thank you. I
So,
do understand now.
okay. Okay. And anyone asking something, right? Apart from that?
Yes, I was asking.
Yeah, just tell me.
Yeah, I was asking, will you discuss the Tableau prep also, like how to clean the data and because via the student status, we will get
Mm.
the Tableau prep license also with the
Yeah,
Tableau
yeah.
because I am having that. So
That's great. That's great. Even with the help of Tableau, when once you get Tableau Desktop, right? With the combined, you will get Tableau Pre-Builder as well.
yeah, yeah, we will get that also. So you
Definitely.
will discuss that
Uh,
also.
yeah, we will try to discuss on that because I can add
Or
more
at least
sessions, right?
have one session on that. Yeah.
So I know I try to do this because within a 10 days to complete all these things, then it is a really tough situation. Let's try to work on that Tableau Pre-Builder as well. Give
Yeah,
me
no,
some time.
once I think you can discuss the interface because I have tried to understand, but I was having some issues. And I have tried to follow some
Okay.
YouTube videos as well, but I had some queries. So if you can, then please include the Tableau prep one also. Okay.
I will try to do this. No need to worry about that.
Thank you so much.
But
Thank you so much.
yeah, definitely I will try to do this. And let's ask one question to the anyone. Bhumika, are you there?
Yes,
Bhumika?
Ganesh.
So
Yes,
can you
Ganesh.
explain me about Tableau Online?
Yeah, Tableau Online is similar to the Tableau Cloud, on which we can perform all the similar functions which are can be done in desktop or in normal web user as a web user. We can perform it. We can access all the services of the Tableau via cloud, means any cloud.
That's right.
So
And
it's
what is the difference
increase the
between?
accessibility.
Yeah, that's right.
Um,
What is the difference between the Tableau server and Tableau Cloud?
um,
Hello?
I- yeah. Uh, Tableau server has As you said, both of it needs license, but apart from that,
Anybody can try. Sanjay, Owen, Rajat,
Tableau
Madhuri.
Cloud, it's a
Yeah,
SaaS similar
security is
to Azure.
there.
No, anybody can try. Avinash, Atarya,
Yeah,
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 security on
anybody
the
exactly.
can.
point of view of security. We can
Secure?
differentiate.
No, no, no. There is a very small differences there. Anybody can try.
Tableau is a
Yeah,
SaaS. Software is application, the cloud.
Okay.
Basically, it's just as Owen mentioned, Tableau Cloud is
Dinesh,
just
Tableau server is a server based and cloud is a serverless, and Tableau Cloud is a SaaS, so software as a service application.
You are right. You are perfectly right, Abhishek. Appreciate. This is the answer I want. So, so kindly mute all. So I'm gonna kindly mute that. Anyone? So, okay, let's go to the next slide. So are you clear with that Tableau desktop? Again, Tableau cloud. Again, Tableau server. Everybody is clear? Still any doubt? Please ask me.
So can you tell how to download Tableau Public?
Definitely, it's go to the next slide only. Don't need to worry about that. I will go into the next slide cover that.
Okay.
Don't need to worry. Okay, it is the basic information I need to cover that. What is the basics things? If suppose, and one more thing that it's very important if you go to the interview questions, right? They will ask you the what are the Tableau products. Then you need to answer it. Tableau server, Tableau desktop, again Tableau cloud. Again, now we go to the next version is Tableau reader. So what Tableau reader? Tableau reader is a free desktop application where I can read the dashboards. Suppose Tableau workbook and Tableau dashboards has been created and publishing using Tableau desktop on Tableau server. It is typically used in individual or small groups. Suppose a best example I can give. Suppose Madhuri has a created dashboard in a Tableau desktop, but Archana, you don't have an access of Tableau desktop. But how to see the dashboards? Tell me. With the help of Tableau Reader, we can see that. We can download the
readers.
Tableau Reader. Tableau Reader is a V mode. V mode, we can see that what kind of dashboards has been built. Suppose Madhuri, he created dashboard. He created story as well. Now Madhuri want to Madhuri want to share the dashboard with Bhumika. But Bhumika, you don't have a Tableau desktop application as well. You don't have an access as well. But in this scenario, we can use Tableau Reader, where we can just see the dashboards, what kind of dashboard has been built by Madhuri. But we can't edit. Now we can see that. So Tableau, Tableau Reader does not include the ability of create or edit the workbooks. Even connect the data sources, even refresh data sources, not ability, right? So Tableau Reader is just kind of free mode where we can create, where we can see the dashboards, where we can interact with the data visualization with the workbooks. Again, we can open the view Tableau workbooks and dashboards has been created. That what kind of dashboards we can see that. So Tableau Reader is just nothing but it's just a V mode. Whatever the created dashboard, we can just see that. We can't changes anything. We can't
Is it
edit
Tableau
anything.
Reader or Viewer?
Tableau Reader.
Okay, because in website I can see Tableau Viewer license.
No, Tableau Reader is
Oh.
Tableau Reader is
Dinesh, they can give rating and also give comments on whatever they see, right?
Definitely,
On Tableau
definitely.
Reader.
Suppose Shiva, suppose you have a created dashboard, right? Now you want to share with your friends, right? Now in this scenario, you have a access of Tableau desktop, but your friends is not have access of Tableau desktop. In this scenario, you can share your dashboard with the help of your friends, just need to install Tableau Reader. They can see the dashboards, which kind of dashboards you have built that. So in a simple answer, Tableau Reader is nothing but is just view mode where I can see
Hello.
what kind of dashboards is built by anyone.
Hello.
Anybody's question? Yeah, yeah. Ask me.
Hi Dinesh. Hello.
Hi, Dinesh. Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi. Shivprasad this side.
Tell me, Shiva.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, Shiva.
Actually, I want to know the Tableau reader is the like view rights only, the reader which you have. Are they able to access the filters in the we have created in the dashboard, or only they can
Never.
view the fixed mode?
They can view itself. They can't access the filters as well. They can't access edit anything in the dashboard. They just can check the data sets. They can just check the dashboard itself.
So it
So
is it possible through Tableau Public, or we
Tableau
can use
Public is
the Tableau
possible.
Public?
Tableau Public it is possible. Tableau is just something just view mode where I want to share with my dashboards just without just we can see that we can't edit anything. We can do any changes in that data.
Like snapshot of the report or any visualization.
Yeah, yeah. Suppose I'm sharing with my friends, then I can use Tableau, right? I can share with my colleagues, then I can use Tableau, right?
But Dinesh, like you said, can we give rating on the Tableau reader and also pass comments on whatever the work I see?
Yeah, we can give to the Tableau Public, and I'm going to the Tableau Public itself. Tableau Public is most important. Everybody need to be create Tableau Public account, and whatever after downloading that, you need to create 100% on Tableau account, Tableau Public an account. So you can give to the rating as well, and you can create an account as well. You can publish dashboards as well in a Tableau Public. So come to the next. Everybody understand it? What is a Tableau Reader? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So Tableau Reader is
Yes.
Yes,
yeah, Tableau Reader is nothing but just a V mode where I can see the dashboards who can build it. Suppose Madhuri has built the dashboard, but I don't have an access, and I have downloaded Tableau Reader to what kind of dashboard has been built by Madhuri. Simple. So we are
And
going to
in
the
Tableau
next.
Public, anyone can see anyone's dashboard, right?
Yeah, anyone can see the dashboard, and anyone can comment that, anyone can publish that. Lot of kind of
Okay.
activities, and it is the kind of big community in Tableau Public.
Okay, great.
So
Dinesh,
we are moving to the next. Yeah, tell me, anybody's?
yeah, Shiv this side. Actually,
Yeah,
the
tell me.
like benefit is only we want to the show the fixed visualization. This is the benefit of Tableau Reader, na?
Yeah, 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 definitely. I just want to see if suppose I want to showcase the only for showcasing purpose, then Tableau is really good for showcasing purpose only.
Okay, okay.
So I'm going to the
Uh,
Tableau builder.
Dinesh,
Yeah,
yeah, Dinesh, consider I have created the report and dashboard, everything. So the dashboard, we can't put every information in the dashboard. So that dashboard has some meaningful data so that once we check the dashboard, so we could understand. But I want to look for more information. So consider I have some chart in dashboard. If I click that, it will give a more information in the background. Like, so that should be server connected, right? For those kind of to get the information.
definitely. It's already connected to the data itself, right?
Okay, so if I getting into that chart, any kind of chart, so if I click, it will go to background of servers and it will fetch the data, right? But if
Definitely.
consider if with respect to I'm sharing to someone, so that in that manner also they can also view data, or they should get another kind of access.
They can get the data, right? When you're sharing the data, when you're sharing the file with that, then definitely they can see the insights as well. Depends on that which file you are sharing, right? Suppose you are sharing worksheets, dashboards along with data set. then they can
Okay.
easily check that. Yeah. Now I'm sharing to the, now I've created dashboard, and I'm sharing to the Abhishek itself. So I'm sharing Tableau package workbook file. In the Tableau package workbook file, along with dataset, I can sharing that where Abhishek can see the dataset as well, dashboard as well.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
So Tableau Prep Builder is nothing but, it is a clean, reshape, and combine the data from various sources before analyzing it in Tableau. It is designed to make data preparation processes. It is a more efficient and streamlined. So, so mostly Tableau Prep Builder is using for the clean, reshape, and combine the data. And Tableau Pre-Builder is nothing but, it's kind of ETL tool where I can, cleaning the data and reshaping the data in such a particular way, it designed way, it is look like, perfectly. Hello, I'm audible.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
So anybody understand that what is Tableau Pre-Builder? Hello. Guys, I
Yes.
want interactive session.
Yes,
Don't
Dinesh.
be silent. Be in interactive.
Yes, it's just like, you can edit the things, the columns.
Definitely. Now somebody's asking that what
Yes.
is the Tableau Pre-Builder? Tableau Pre-Builder is nothing but where I can combine the data, where I can clean the data, where I can reshape the data, where I can do a lot of fun activities, where I can remove the null values, and again reshaping the data. A lot of kind of fun activities we can do in a Tableau Pre-Builder.
Okay.
So, one thing, Alan, are you there? Alan, respond me if you're there. Alok, Alok,
Dinesh, you are audible.
yeah. Alok, can you explain about me, Tableau Reader? Hello, guys, I want more interactive should be. It is not be silent itself. We are trying to learn something, right? It should be more interactive
Yeah,
itself.
Dinesh. Like as you are
Yeah.
critically mentioning a lot names, so that I was silent.
No worry, Abhishek, you can try it.
Okay, it's a Tableau reader is a tool like options where we can read the dashboards or view the dashboards. There is no option to edit or modify the data. Just we can view the data like dashboards in dashboards.
Fantastic, Abhishek. You're done. Good job. Abhishek, I
And
want kind of you, like, very interactive like that. Sanjay was saying something, right?
no, and also the real-time streaming is also available in the Tableau Reader.
Yeah. So let's go with the next. Now we are coming to the Tableau Public. So I'm just explaining that Tableau Public is a free platform to the allow anyone to publish and share interactive data visualization stories on the web. It's designed to make a data more accessible and understandable with a wide audience. Suppose, I want to I'm created a lot of dashboards in a Tableau desktop. I want to share it in a Tableau Public, I can share it. So in say something, Tableau Public is nothing but its community like Kaggle, GitHub, where we can share the dashboards, reports, and stories.
Yeah, Dinesh. Like someone was asking that we can comment or post. This is the place where we can comment, post, give our
Yeah,
suggestions
everything.
to the particular story
Yeah.
or data.
So now I just come into the same page. It is if you see that Tableau Public, a free platform to explore, create, publicly share data visualization online. Hello.
Hello. Oh, yeah. There. So this is free for everyone. There is no license required.
Free
Just we
for
can
everyone,
access.
right?
Oh.
Now, where I can now, this is for the sharing purpose. It's kind of big community where I'm creating the dashboards where I can do a lot of things. So now I can go with this sign for Tableau Public. I can use my the just 1 second. I think just 1 second. You can create an account as well in Tableau Public after the downloading itself. So you can create that account and you can visualize this way like that. Now if you see that by near Simlangla, now you share the dashboard itself. It look like dashboards. It's kind of big community, right? Now if you see the dashboard again, I'm going to the backside. The lot of dashboards is basic. If you see the create a Tableau network, this is a dashboard which is built by Tristan Gillivan. Create a network of in Tableau is share the dashboard, right? You see that you can also share dashboards it like that. So I understand the Tableau Public.
Yes, Dinesh.
Yeah.
Understood.
So I request you to everyone go and create sign up for Tableau Public and mention name, email ID, password, and country, and create an account.
Dinesh, it should not be a student account, right? So that we can give our details
No,
because I have requested for other student ID using the desktop. So
okay,
here
yeah,
I can
yeah,
give my details too.
you can easily do it. Yeah,
Or is there any possible way? There is must be connectivity from student account to public. There is an option to connect. You got my point, right? Like, some consider I have a desktop that is with a student account, Tableau desktop. So whatever I create in a Tableau desktop, I want to share so that my ID should be connected to Tableau public, right?
it is not like that. There are different
Oh,
IDs, different passwords, different thing. But you want to use same ID password which you use in Tableau desktop, right? You can use it. That option is there, right?
oh.
I get it.
Yeah, Dinesh. Good.
So now I have designed that. If you see,
Hello, Dinesh.
yeah,
Do you mind sharing your PPT?
tell me.
Do you mind sharing your PPT?
Yeah, I'm
PowerPoint.
sharing. Yeah, I'm using
Dinesh?
PowerPoint.
Hello. Hello,
Yeah,
Dinesh.
yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, tell me. Hello, I'm audible. Guys, I'm not audible. Then please clear me.
You're audible.
Hello,
Hello, Dinesh.
someone is facing problem. I think.
Hello.
Abhishek, you.
Nichema. Yes, yeah, Dinesh, tell me.
Now I have. If you see that my screen, now I have a sign in Tableau Public where I can actually create the dashboards as well and actually share the dashboards as well. If you see that
Dinesh,
data,
screen is not.
You
I'm
haven't
unable to
shared the
see
screen.
any.
okay, I
Are
will
we
share.
Now,
supposed
Okay,
are we supposed to
now
sign
I
in
can.
along with you?
you can. Okay, you can sign it as well right now.
Okay.
Or else, just wait. First of all, my screen visible, right?
No.
Yeah, Dinesh. Now it's visible.
Yeah. Now it's visible.
Now it is.
So it is just an overview that how is it looking, right? So if you go to the resources, this is the way we can create the Tableau Public. So this is the welcome video services. We can connect the data. We can navigate the workspace again. A lot of we can do that. Even it is explained by the building a dashboard. Even key performance indicator. So after the signing this Tableau Public, right, you will get a lot of options. Again, if you go to the create option, right, web authorizing, where I can actually create the dashboards with the help of web itself. Okay, so it is a small explanation. After the creating the dashboard itself, I can publish as well. So are you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So so
Yes.
Tableau Public is nothing but it's like community where I can create the dashboards as well and where I can publish as well. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you are.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
you're audible.
So now we are coming to the installation part. So one more thing, anybody have a student ID card, they can use Tableau desktop professional version, and they don't have a student ID card, they can use Tableau public version. I'm sharing the both the links in chat. You can download it.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hey, Dinesh, this is Sanket Raut from Mumbai. I want to ask that for student ID card for getting the license of Tableau Desktop, do we need college email ID also?
College email ID is not necessary. Student ID card photos, it is compulsory.
Yeah, that I am having. Yeah. Just college ID card is enough, no? And
College ID card
personal.
is college ID card is enough, more than enough. Just mention the person name, what college ID card is name is there. Whatever the ID card name is there, you just mention it in the form. Suppose I've opened that, first name is a last name and business email, organization. Again, download free trial. You can go with that. So there's a
Okay. And
Tableau. Okay. Yeah.
can I ask one question? One more.
Yeah. You can ask.
Yes, the system you are using for means data analytics Tableau purpose, what's the configuration required for running Tableau?
So anybody have a first of all, let me cover this. How many people's they have a student ID card?
Distance education value.
Avinash?
Dinesh,
Yeah.
Dinesh,
Distance
will
education
this
will do.
accept?
Avinash, Keshav, Praniti. Okay. We they if they already downloaded, then that's fine. Now they are downloading, then they can use. You know, I'm sharing the link. They can use it. Just click on the link and fill the form and try to download now. Okay. If you see that Tableau for students. Hello.
Dinesh,
Yeah.
will this accept that school ID card or only college ID card?
It's okay to school and college, but we required ID card itself. School or college, it's fine.
All right.
We like some
It's
ID.
You're not audible clearly. Keshav, who is this?
Yes.
Actually, we
Hi.
have got the link in our mail ID, but after clicking that Tableau desktop, that they are asking for the business name. So as a student, so we cannot write the business or organization name.
Don't
So
worry.
in
First
that,
of
what
all,
we have to do?
okay, let me cover this. First of all, those who have student ID cards, they can go with a sharing link. Just I will share that. And those who have a student ID cards is not there, they can go as a free trial version. Now I'm just sharing the link of free trial version. You can check and download it. Again, it is a 14 days free trial version. After 14 days trial, it will be ended. Again, you can choose, mostly preferable for everyone, Tableau Public. It is a free for all. I'm sharing Tableau Public link as well. Yeah. So you can download Tableau Public as well.
But Dinesh, not much of a difference, right, between Tableau Public and Tableau
Not much of
Student or
difference is not there. Yeah, not much of difference is not there. It's slightly add more features add some more features in the Tableau desktop because it's paid version, right?
Hi, Dinesh.
Yeah.
Actually, previously I'm using the Tableau desktop free version for 14 days. It is expired. Now I am like, creating using the different mail ID, but the
It will
error I'm
not work
getting it is expired.
because the configuration it will be captured, right? System ID, what you are using, right? It will capture automatically when you're using first time.
Yeah.
So it is now we need to be used Tableau Public itself. There is a no option for that. I'm so sorry.
So
Because
if I now try to like download through the system ID, is it able to give me access or not?
it is not possible, right? Because on the first time they will capture system ID and email ID. What you are
So
using system, right?
this time
They will
like in
already
future
capture.
I'm not able to. Okay.
You're not able to use. You can use another laptop. Because if you're mentioning the mail ID, right, on the first time if you're using, right, after the
Right.
mentioning and you will get a 14 days free trial, right? And in that
Right.
free trial they will capture your system ID, means your laptop system
Okay.
configuration will be the configuration ID automatically they will capture it. There is a no way we can changing email ID. They can know the trick, right? If you're doing, they know that if suppose I know and it is 14 days free dial and I can I can use n number of email IDs, it is not be able to it because companies
Right.
are very smart than we, right?
Because
Hello.
in Tableau Public some visualization part is like not there
Yeah,
as
I
compared to
understand that.
desktop.
And yeah, because Tableau desktop is completely, it is a professional paid version, right? So it is might be but don't worry, we can try to cover all those things in Tableau Public as well.
Okay.
So now, Shiva, you can
Yes.
try to download a Tableau Public because is there
Because I'm
no
trying
option is there?
last 2-3 days I'm trying to download the Tableau desktop. Again, same error again. Okay, no issues. Thank you.
Because Shiva, it is already system has been captured, right? How it works?
Got
Tell
it.
me. If you're changing the email ID, right? How it works, right? Because Tableau is already captured system configuration ID when you're using 14 days free trial version, right?
Got it.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
everybody
Thank
is trying to downloading, right? Anybody have a doubt? So anybody have a student ID, they can use and they can download student ID. I already shared the link in chat box. Again, Tableau Public, I'm already shared that. Let me again, 1 second. So we can even this link I was shared in the chat box. you can directly just click on download Tableau Public, asking first name, last name, business email, country, and just fill it and download it. Okay, everybody's downloading, right?
Yeah,
For
Dinesh.
Dinesh, for student license, they are asking the college mail ID.
If you have a college ID, then use it, or else you can download Tableau public version, which is link has been shared in the chat box. If you want, again, I will share you in the chat box itself.
I have I have started downloading, but it is not working.
Why it's not work, right? It's definitely it works. Just try to fill
It
perfectly first.
says
If you no first
yeah,
try to
it
look into
says yes, sir.
try to look into that. Now I just click on the link, right? Tableau.com product public download. Just click on download Tableau public. Just fill first name, last name, business email, and country region. Download it. It's fine.
No, I have done that steps. It
So
says
how
now
it's not working?
the pop-up came and it says thank you for downloading Tableau Desktop Public Edition. If your download doesn't begin automatically, try again for Mac or Windows. My download has not begun yet.
No, it's not like that, right? Definitely it's work out. Anybody is facing any problem? It seems like that. Guys, anybody is facing the problem?
No, Dinesh, I have requested student
Dinesh,
ID.
I am currently using Tableau Public.
Okay. And is it Madhuri, right? You're facing problem?
Yes, sir.
So you can just share the I'm stop sharing that. You just share the screen. And how do you doing that? Open this.
Wait a second.
Open the link first, and again share the screen. Madhuri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So first click on link, again share the screen. Now I want just go to my steps. I want to look that how you are doing correctly or not.
Is my screen really visible?
Okay, now it's visible. Go to the link, Tableau public link.
Okay,
Click
wait.
on that. And edible and just click on download and click on first name, click on last name, write first name. And everybody is downloading, right? Because we are not wasting the time. Okay. Guys, please confirm the same. Click on India. Downloading,
Can I
right?
click on
Great.
Can I click on download?
So yeah,
I have
go to
filled
download and
everything.
yeah, yeah.
Has anyone downloaded the desktop version yet? Like for me, it's kind of the screen has freezed. What's the status for you guys?
Okay. It's
Click on
second.
Windows, it will start download.
Bhumika, Just click on Windows. Click on Windows.
Can I click on Windows?
Click on Windows.
Okay,
Click
it
on
says
Windows.
this. Yeah, it says this
File
type
has
of
been
file.
down. No, keep. Just keep.
Okay, it has started.
Now it started downloading.
Dinesh, if you have a student this license, then no need to download public desktop, right?
You are right. Because student data is giving to the guys, please unmute. Guys, please unmute. Those who are not talking, guys, please unmute. Uh, Guys, if you have a student ID version, then we can download free Tableau for the 1 year subscription if your ID is set. Now we are using Tableau Public for the practicing purpose. If you get the student ID card, then work on Tableau desktop. Okay.
Hi Dinesh.
Yeah, no.
Can you again tell me how to download for the student ID?
Okay. So I will explain it. Just 1 second. So now, okay. Suman,
Yes, yes.
just 1 second.
Yeah, Sumant, you can click the link that which is Dinesh shared.
Okay.
Tableau academic
Suman,
students.
yeah. Now I will share my screen, and the link has been shared in the chat box itself. You can just click on link and follow my steps. So after the clicking on link, so we will get a Tableau for students. Download this Tableau desktop for a Tableau Grid Builder and get Tableau skills.
No, Dinesh, first we have to get the license, right? For that license, then you have to know
Yeah, that's
download,
right.
right?
First we need to fill that
Fill this,
and
yes.
verify that first. Yeah, first we need to fill that. First we need to fill first name, last name, again email ID, again school name, school email ID, confirmation, student confirmation, school issued email, date of birth, again preferred language, everything I need to mention that. Then verify student status. Then automatically it goes to be they will verify and they can give the license.
No, Dinesh, yeah. Once it's verified, then it will ask for login to directly to a student email ID, and it will ask a verify here only. Then after that, you will get an email to upload a document as ID card. Then they will upload. Then they will send a license.
Definitely, it's right. So it is long process. So instead of you're doing a letter, you can easy work on that. Just download Tableau Public itself right now because it's a very time process, right? If everybody is downloaded, then fine.
Sir, I have downloaded it, and it says open and open for from Tableau Public. I have these two options.
Okay, just click on and sign the option that mention your email ID and everything and log in it. Madhuri?
No, I have downloaded Tableau Public, not with the student's email ID.
Yeah, I understand that. Go for the Tableau Public itself, right? And sign it. Go to the sign in option.
Wait a second.
If you're facing the problem, then I can stop the screen. Just share your screen.
1 second.
Suman? Suman? Hey, Suman.
Yes, yes.
You have downloaded it, right? Everybody is downloaded, right? Suman, Anirudh, Madhuri, Rajat, Avinash, Tony. So please download it. We need to practice on that. Do it fast, okay?
Already done. Okay.
Already done, right? And Ganesh, are you done? Ganesh.
Yeah, done.
Okay, that's great. And Avinash Bansari Patel, right? You're done? Bansari?
It's
Okay,
asking for
Bhumika
password.
is asking for password, right? Okay, what
Yeah.
password you mentioned that? What password you mentioned that? Just write the password.
No. When I signed up for the first time, it didn't ask for the password. It just asked first name, last name,
Okay,
business
just
email, and
okay,
country.
okay, that's fine. Just mention the password itself, which password you want to set it.
Okay.
Alan, Alan, Anirudh, you're done. Ankit,
Yes, sir, it's done.
that's great. Hmm. And Dhavani, you're done. Dhavani, are you
Hello,
there?
Jenny. Hello, Jenny. My network is very poor. I'm still downloading. Give me a few minutes.
Tony, your voice is, cracking. So can you speak loudly?
Hello, Danish. Hello, Danish. It's
Yeah,
Tony.
tell me,
I'm
I'm
still
listening.
downloading. Yes, network is
Okay,
very,
okay,
very poor. Give me a few minutes.
okay, no worry. I will be wait, no worry. So Priya, Kavita, what's your doubt? Tell me, Priya, Kavita, unmute yourself. Priya,
I have downloaded, but it's not working.
why it's not? Can you please share your screen?
Okay.
Kavita, what is your doubt? Kavita, are you there, Kavita? Kavita, Priya, are you sharing screen?
Yeah.
Kavita, are you there? What is your doubt? Unmute yourself. So Priya, are you sharing screen, right?
Till the time, can
Guys,
I
if
share
you,
my?
yeah, you can share the Madhuri, you can share the screen, right? So guys, if you're facing any problem, then please tell me at least. Rajat, are you done?
Uh, Dinesh, yeah, I'm already done. Dinesh, I have one suggestion for you, if you don't mind.
Yeah, tell me.
Why don't you make one slide for the steps of installation and send it to all?
That's great. That's great. Let's do
But
it
one
self.
can get that easily on YouTube too.
Yeah, we can go to the YouTube as well. So now it's almost done. Mm, okay, anything almost 80,
Check
90, 80 to
video for installation.
yeah.
Hello.
Yellow. Pranit. Priya. Madhuri, your share screen, right?
Yes, sir. Can you say, may I click on this open from Tableau Public?
Okay, open
This
from
one?
Tableau Public. So you already installed, right? Why are you worrying about this? Just click on open for Tableau Public. Click on that.
Yeah, yeah, I've clicked. It says no
Okay.
workbooks found.
Okay. Just no, just click on cancel, and you click on cancel. Now you already downloaded macros. You already downloaded it. You just need to connect that and try to visualize things. You already done thing.
Okay.
Yeah, this is when we are creating Tableau Public, right? So we need to create Tableau Public account, and whenever we are sharing this into Tableau Public, right? Then when that time we are using. So Madhuri, your turn. No need to worry about this.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
So guys, everyone is done.
Yeah, Dinesh, it's all done now.
So I can go to the next stage. Confirm the
Sure.
same, everyone. If you're done, then I'm going to the next stage.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to the, going to the basics concepts again. So everyone is done, right? If still anyone is pending, then please let me know.
Done.
Dinesh, like mine is pending. I just got
Okay,
the email ID, so
okay, no worry. I can wait. Don't worry. I can wait for more 5 minutes. No worry.
you can
So,
proceed. Like
okay,
I can
okay,
do the
no,
installation on my.
okay. So now I'm going to explain about what kind of data types are there in Tableau. So mostly Tableau is depend upon data types. So you need to understand that it is a basic concept. So what kind of data types are work on that? So total there are 5 data types. One is string, second is number or integer values, third is date values, again fourth is date and time values, fifth is boolean values, sixth is geographical values. First of all, string data type. What is a string? The collection of the characters it gives string data type, like numbers, like names, like customer name, any kind of data like customer name, again orders, again states names, again whatever it kind of names itself, that kind of string data types. As I'm audible, right?
Yes,
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 Yeah,
yes.
you're
you're
audible.
audible.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're
So
audible, but your screen isn't visible. Hello.
Dinesh, are you sharing something?
yeah, I'm sharing something. So now my screen visible, right?
Yeah.
Yes, now it's
Yes, we are now visible.
Yes.
So yeah. So Tableau is basically depends upon the is a basic concept on data types. So we have a total 6 data types. One is string, numeric, date and time, boolean, geographic. So what is the string data type? String is nothing but names like Radhika, Madhuri, Anurand, Rajat, again orders, again product names. So it is the names. String is nothing but ABC values like Abhishek name. Abhishek is nothing but is string values, right? Now we are moving to the next is numeric. Numeric nothing but it is the integer type of values like one number, two number, three numbers. Date and time is nothing but date values, date and time, and timestamp again date type. So whichever we can consider that. Boolean values is nothing but yes or no. So the Boolean type values are it gives to the either true or false. So it is kind of true or false. Geographical values is nothing but locations, states, again cities. So geographical values. I understand that.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So string values is nothing but okay. So total we have how many types? Is a total 6 types.
Five.
String, number,
Six.
date and time, Boolean values, and
Yeah.
geographical values. String values is nothing but names like Anirudh, Madhuri. Hmm? And again, what is the numbers? Numbers is nothing but 1 to 3. Date values is nothing but dates. Mention that date format means DDMMY. Again, MMDDY. That is date values. Date and time values is nothing but date DDMMY. Again, timestamp. Boolean values is nothing but it is true or false, like yes or no. So it gives predictions that either true or false. And geographical values is nothing but region, state, cities, locations. Okay, are you done?
Yes. Got it.
Yes, sir.
So W is totally basing on this concept. Again, I'm going to ask that athlete is the which data type? Athlete.
String.
String.
Okay.
Data.
Again, age is which age is which category set?
Integer.
Number
Okay.
or integer.
Again, and country.
Country
String.
geographical.
Sorry, geography. Geography.
Global. Yeah, geographical.
Okay. Okay. Let's say temperature.
Temperature.
Integer.
Number.
Numerical.
Integer.
Integer. You are right. Temperature is nothing but integer. It is measures. So now you understand, right? String values, number, date value, Boolean values, geographical values, right? So we are moving to the next dimension and measures. So what is the dimension? What are the measures? So dimensions is always qualitative nature. Dimensions is nothing but string data type. Like an example of sales region, employees, location, date. If you see that a dimension is a field that is an independent variable. A dimension is usually text. Again, come to the measure. Measures is always numerical values like 1, 2, 3 numbers, like numbers. So we can apply aggregative functions, but in the dimension, we cannot apply the aggregative functions. So measure is nothing but numbers. Dimension is nothing but string values. And suppose I want to ask that um, Madhuri is a dimension or measure.
Dimension.
Dimension.
Okay, that's it.
Dimension.
And number 79 is a dimension or measure.
Measure.
Major.
Okay, okay, that's great. So that is a basic concept. One more thing I want to ask. Product name. Product name is dimension or measure.
Dimension.
Dimension.
Dimension. Because it's mentioned ABC, right?
Yes, string.
That's right. And state is the dimension or measure. Tell me.
Dimension.
Geography.
Geographical dimension.
Dimension.
But is it
That's
dimension?
great. Again, raw ID. Now, if you see the raw ID, it is dimension or measure.
Major.
Measure.
Major.
Dimension.
If your number is mentioned.
It is dimension. Dimension.
Dimension.
Okay. So we can convert into dimension as well and more as well, but it is a dimension itself. So postal code is a dimension or measure.
Major.
Postal code is measure.
Dimension.
Dimension, right?
Dimension.
So
Dimension.
okay, let me complete this. Uh, Discount, profit, quantity, sales. These all are measures. Even latitude, longitude, order count. This side all are measures. This side all are dimensions.
How postal code is dimension?
Guys, mute yourself. Guys, mute yourself.
Can you please mute others?
Dinesh, there is a lot of background noise going on.
Okay, I muted to all of. So discount, profit, quantity, sales, these all are measures. Suppose an example, I mentioned temperature, right? Temperature is nothing but measure. Am I right? Right?
Yes.
Yes.
And so
Yes,
postal
Suppose
code.
postal code is nothing but dimension only. Suppose I mention here, product name, that is,
Name is dimension.
dimension.
I mentioned product name is dimension, right? And the price is 900. 900 is the product
It's
name
major.
is dimension and 900 is measure, right?
Major.
Major.
That's
Yeah.
Yeah.
great. So if anybody is asking that what is dimension and measure, dimension is nothing but qualitative nature, and dimension is nothing but they are string values. Okay. Okay. Now going to the live connection and extract connection.
And convert dimension to measure or measure to dimension.
Yeah, okay. Okay, just 1 second. I will open the tablet itself. It will be better to understand that, right? Now anybody can explain that. Sales is the okay. I can hear to that. Sales is a dimension or measure
Major.
Major.
because it is number showing, right?
Measure.
Now segment is dimension or measure
Dimension.
Dimension.
because the
Dimension.
segment inside ABC is showing, right? And in a dimension always it shows the ABC. It kind of names consumer, corporate, home offices. Now again category, it is dimension.
Dimension.
Okay. Again sales, sorry, you can measure values, right? It shows the numbers, right? It is also dimension. Again quantity, if I'm going to this quantity also, it's measure. So you should understand better that this side is measure. Okay. From this side, it's measure. And from this side to this side is dimension. Guys, please mute yourself. So I'm just saying, right? Discount from this side, right? From hashtag. From this side, this is all the measures. Again, from the category itself, ABC, this is all from, this is a line, right? This is line, you can understand that from first line itself, it will be shown on all dimension values. After get the line, first line, if you see that, then it comes all the measures for better understanding. But you should know that what are the dimensions. And one more thing that I want to date is dimension or measure. Tell me.
Major. Maybe.
It's measure.
No, date is dimension.
Dimension.
If you see that, date is there, right? Okay, just looking. Order date. If you see that order date, it is on the dimension itself. Order date. See that?
Yes, yes, sir.
So order date, we can change into dimension as well. We can change into the measure as well. But order date has been considered as dimension as well. If you see that order date,
Yes. Same
okay.
goes for ship date, no?
Same goes to the
Ship date, ship,
ship
SHIP.
date as well. Yeah, ship date. Okay, that's
Okay.
with ship date. Okay, yeah, same goes ship date as well. Even ship mode is also is kind of dimension values. First class, same day, second class, standard class. So now I'm going to explain about live connection and extract connection. Uh, After opening the Tableau, right, you should, this kind of views opening. So everybody is downloaded, then please open the Tableau Public. So live connection and extract connection, definitely interview question are there. What is the difference between live connection and extract connection? You should be understand that what is a live connection does, what extract connection does. So first of all, we'll talk about live connection. A live connection, it is connect with real-time data. Suppose if you go to that, this is the connection type, right? If you're seeing that connection live and extract. Now live connection is connected with my data set, and this is automatically will be updated. You don't need to update anything itself. It is automatically updated because it is live connection. If you say that is work on real-time data, that means any changes you made the data, the source will be immediately reflect in your Tableau visualization without the need manually refresh, and Tableau automatically update that. In that mean live connection is automatically update the data without doing anything. Any changes you done, it's automatically updated because live connection is connect with the real-time data.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Anybody's have question with that live connection? So live whenever if you open the Tableau Public, right? After connecting the data set, we have two options like connections. One is live, second is extract connection. We can choose live connection as well. We can choose extract connection as well. But we should know what is the difference between live and extract. So live is nothing but is connecting with the real-time data. So now if I choose live data, right? This connected with the sample superstore. So this data is automatically connected. So whatever I done, any changes, suppose any changes I've done from my end, right? Suppose, suppose I created this, you know, this chart. So this automatically will be updated. Any changes you will done automatically will be updated. So that is the live data set. Done that. Any difficulties you have, any doubts are there, then please let me know, right? So you should be understand that why it's showing the difference between live connection and extract connection. At the when you opening the Tableau, right, there are two panes are there. Data source pane. This is a data source pane. Now we are talking about data source pane. And now we are going to the connection type. If you see that connections are there. Connection type first is live and extract. And live is automatically connect with the data source and it is automatically update with that. Whatever you can change this, it will update it. It is because it is real time data. It's connect with the real time data. In that mean any changes you made, the data source will be immediately reflect in your Tableau visualization. Guys, are you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody
So
have doubt?
how can we navigate to this screen?
Okay. First of all, Madhuri, share your screen and okay. First of all, go with the direct steps as well. Are everyone is downloaded the Tableau Public? Everyone
Tableau
is done.
Public. Yes.
Everyone is done
Yes.
right now. Okay, I'm sharing one file that is sample superstore. You can connect with the data set and we can start the practicing.
Okay.
Dinesh, is this a data model that you are showing right now?
It is data model is not data model. It's something that which connections we are using. Let me explain that. Connection is nothing but live connection and extract connection. Tableau, we have two types of connection. If you want to work with the live data, then you can use live connection. If you don't want to work with the live data, you can use extract connection. Okay, don't need to I'll explain everything. Don't need to worry. I will just sharing my
Actually, I did not understand measure and dimensions
dimensional as
also
well.
completely. Like I
Why?
understood like it's qualitative and quantitative, but
Okay, let me Sanjay explain about. Sanjay is nothing but dimensional or measure. Tell me.
so I think dimension is like names, dates, or some
Yeah, any kind
geographical.
of name.
Okay,
Okay,
Sanjay.
and
Name itself Sanjay, right? Sanjay is a dimension or measure. Tell me first of all.
it's a dimension.
That's great. You understand. Dimension is nothing but string values. String values nothing but ABC names. It is names, but it is nothing but names, product name, customer name, mail IDs, nothing but ABC values. And apart from measures, right? Measure is nothing but numbers. 75, 85, 95, these all numbers. That much of simple, right?
That's it.
So
About
Dinesh, what is
Tableau.
the combination of both?
Yeah.
That is a combination of both because if you open the Tableau, right? Because Tableau is based on the dimension and measure concept itself. If you open the Tableau, go to the sheet, right? Arushi, my screen is visible, right?
No, not visible.
Yeah, it is not visible.
Now it's visible.
Now it is. Now
It
it is
is
visible.
yeah.
Visible.
So why I'm telling the dimension and measure? Because Tableau is based on the dimension measure concept. If you come down, discount, profitable, quantity, sales, these all the measures. Because Tableau is, measures from one side, dimension are one side. If you see the discount, profit from this or discount, profit, quantity, sales, these all are measures. And
So
category,
all
city,
these papers we have to arrange it, right, Dinesh?
automatically, no, you don't need to arrange it. You just need to understand that what is the dimension and what is the measure. System automatically configure that. Tableau is really more than smart enough automatically configure that.
So
I'm
then
just
from there,
explaining
how do
that.
I
Dinesh,
know?
Yeah.
How do I know whether I should drop the dimension into row or column?
Okay. So first of all, region is the dimension or measure. You tell me.
Region is dimension.
That's fine. Now I'm again dropping sales. Sales is a dimension or measure.
Sales is a
it's
measure.
measure.
So you understand
But
about that
why you're
dimension.
dropping? So my doubt is why you're dropping this region in the row and sales in the column. Why can't you do it the reverse?
We can go to the reverse as well. It's not, isn't it? Okay, we can do the reverse as well, right? I'm just, trying to understand that the concept is a main motive is that what is the dimension and measure concept. Okay, because we are not installed the most of the people they are not installed Tableau Public, right? So they can understand easily. That's why I'm explaining more than deeper. Okay.
Okay.
So are you understand that what is the dimension and what are the measures?
Yes,
Yeah,
somewhat
Dinesh,
clearer.
like you got the dimension and regions in the right side, sorry, left side. So that is after you taking a data or Tableau by default because my data doesn't have any product ID, sales, or anything. So consider
Don't worry,
my.
don't worry, Abhishek. I'm sharing the data of sample superstore where you can start with the practicing. I'm just telling the concept that how it works on dimension and major concept. Now I'm sharing the file of order sample superstore, and wait, now we can start that practicing that charts as well. Just give me 1 minute. I'm just sharing the order sample superstore data.
Yeah, just share me and how to know how to
Actually,
get the
this
data inside
data
the
is
tableau.
yeah, one thing, I think this data is already available, so we can use from there also, na?
If you can use that, even if you go to the Tableau repository, right, you can get it as well, right?
No, in the file section only it is already there. If we will move down, na, so sample, superstore, and world indicator, these two are the default data which are provided. So we can use from there
Yeah, you
only, I
can
think.
go. You can go with that.
Okay.
If you want, I will share. You don't need to worry about this.
So you share.
Just give me 1 minute. I'm sharing.
Dinesh, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, definitely.
In the first front page of Tableau, you are doing some data mapping, right? Like, do we have to do any kind of data mapping, like some joins or combining?
Yeah.
I,
So this is going to the next step. This is going to the third day or fourth day, where we can perform the how we can combine the different sources. Like I want to combine the data from the different various. I want to combine the data from Oracle and Excel. Then I can combine it. So we can perform all the activities, data blending, data joins. I can do all these performs because it is 10 days workshop, right? We can cover everything.
Okay.
Guys, I will share it in the WhatsApp itself. You can easily access it that, and you can easily download that. It is 3.4 MB.
Okay.
Dinesh, you can paste it in the chat also, right? This
Yeah,
chat.
tell me.
No, you can.
Okay, just 1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing just 1 second. Uh, so you can go with no WhatsApp, which is I haven't shared. Let's first of all download that, which is I'm sharing in the WhatsApp itself. Everybody is downloaded.
Yes, sir.
Just connecting to the Tableau in public. Anybody can share the screen and connect the Tableau public to the Excel data. Even Mother, you can share the screen.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible. And
Okay.
everybody is
Can I
downloaded,
click on
right?
Microsoft Excel?
Yeah, click on Microsoft Excel and now go click on that. Okay, that is sample superstore. Just click on that.
Here, upper side.
Okay, now click on orders, double click on orders, double click on orders.
Yeah.
Okay, now maximize the screen. Now okay, I understand that. For the Tableau public version, there is no option for the connection, right? No worry, I can explain that connections I have there. And so first of all, you understand right what is the connection in a live connection. First of all, understand that what is the live connection. So this connection automatically updated with live connection only. Now, which is your point, right, Madhuri? So
Yes, sir.
For the paid version, we have two options for that, which is I'm sharing the screen.
Live or extract.
Live or extract. Why they are any idea about that? Why they are giving two option instead of one option is more than enough?
No, both has different features. Like live means real time, and extract don't give that feature of real time.
Okay. So what is the
So it's
purpose
always
that?
better to be updated.
Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. So now if you see the connection type, right? It is a live and extract. I'm already explained that what is a live connection. Now I'm going to explain that extract connection. So extract connection when is useful when you're working with a large data set. And suppose if you have 10 lakh plus rows, suppose Madhuri, you are working on the 10 lakh plus rows and you're working on the real time data, means you're working on the live data. Is that actually work on that? What do you think about this? Anybody idea is that? Suppose, Sanjay, you're working on the 10 lakh rows on the data set. They have a very large data set, very large number of data. Then and you are working on the live data, then it's really look fine.
Yeah, it's difficult to actually manage.
Manage those data.
Because why it's difficult?
It will get
Because
slow.
if you're working on
It will get
it's
performance.
very lag and it is very slow because you have a very big data. You're working on a very large data set data. 10 lakh plus rows you are working on that. And it take a lot of time to update each and every time. And in that stage, it's very slowly work on that. And you will feel like irritating, right? At the time, we can use extract connection. So extract are useful when working with the large data set that may be slow queries in real time. In the interview questions, definitely they will ask that why I want to use an extract connection. Then you need to answer in this way that extract are useful when working with large data sets that may be slow into the query in real time or when you want to share the visualization with you may not be accessing the original data sources. So what is the difference in that? Live connection, it's connect with the real time, and extract connection where we need to schedule the refreshes. Now we understand, right, what purpose we are going to use live connection as well, what purpose we are going to use extract connection. If we go to this picture, right, so this is an extract connection, this is a live connection. Is mentioned that schedule refresh. Why is mentioned schedule refresh? Tell me. Because if I go to the if I convert, this is the live connection data. which I'm working on the data, right? This is the live data. Now I want to convert this data into the extract. Now I'm converted this data. This extract will include all the data. Now data will be extracted. If you see that, now I will now change my connection live into the extract connection. When you change the data into the extract connection, you need to know that mention schedule refreshes. What schedule refresh it will works. Schedule refreshes is nothing but it will update time to time extract data. Suppose I want to update the data at the end of day at particular time. Suppose I want to update the data at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. So I can easily create extract schedules and I can update that. So anybody have idea about that? What I'm explaining, Tableau, what I'm explaining the connections of even live connection and extract connection. Is there any doubts in that? Why we are using live connection? Why we need to use extract connection? Any idea about this? And you get an idea or not? Any difficulties you're facing?
No, sir, got it. But as we use extract for large data sets, do we use live connection for smaller data sets? Is it like that?
Is it like 100%? If you go to the Power BI, right, Rajat? Power BI is really good. Is really good, but condition is only one, right? Power BI is really good. Only one condition when you are working with small data sets.
Dinesh,
So in
I
Power
have
BI,
one question.
Yeah, yeah,
Should I go?
yeah. You can go.
Yeah, as you explained about that live and extractive data set,
So,
my question is that as you gave an example, like if the data set is too much big like the row line
10
item
lakh
will
plus
be
rows. Yeah.
less than 1 million, right?
Suppose.
Yeah, we need
Okay.
to extract that and work on the extracted one, right? So
Okay.
my question is that if an interviewer asks us like what are the number of rows you mean you have to how you analyze that means if the how much the number of rows you have to extract or you have to work on live like this means is there any number of that data set whether it will be we can just analyze it first in the Excel sheet like it's a 5 lakh lines or 2 lakh lines
Yeah,
or
I
line
understand
item.
that. I understand that. It's supported more be, suppose we have more than 5 to 10 lakh rows are there, right? Then it's very difficult started. Now, if we go to the this, right? This is the 9994 rows, right? If you see that, triple
Yeah,
nine four.
yeah, yeah, got it.
26 fields, 9994. When it
Hmm.
crosses more than 5 lakh rows, right? Then started difficulties. Then started drag slowly, hanging and again drag, take more time. So when
Okay.
crossing 5 lakh rows, right? Then it then started with the doing that again, lagging that again, taking a lot of time.
Hmm. Got it.
Yeah.
So,
But
so
that's
it
why
so
like
you mean
an
to say,
yeah.
you mean to say
Rajat,
below that 5 lakh line, it would be
5
good
lakh,
to
5 lakh
work
rows,
in a live
5 lakh
connection.
rows. Yeah,
No,
yeah.
5 lakh rows.
So when
It would be
okay,
good
when
to work in
interviewer
a live
asks,
connection and
okay, so
And above 5
when
lakh, it will
Rajat
be good with extract.
extract definitely. And most of
okay.
the companies they will prefer the extract connection as well, only extract connection. Why? Anybody guesses? Because they will work on
With
big
big
data
data.
sets, right? They are work on big data sets. They initially they start
And
with
that's
only
fast.
10 lakh plus rows, right? Yeah, I will do it. Okay? Because Rajat, let me complete this. Suppose interview asks that
Yeah.
what is the difference between the live connection and extract connection? Any answer that live connection
Live
Yeah, live
means
is
connections you can work on the real time.
okay.
data
First
as
of all,
well as
live
for
connection.
short data sets.
Okay, live connection is work with real-time updates. Live connection is directly connected with data set, and live connection is automatically updated. We don't need to
Yeah.
update itself. So it is because
Yeah.
of it is work with real-time data.
Yeah. Got it.
So extract connection, when extract connection, whenever we're working on the large data set, when we use extract connection, and we need to update the extract connection, that purpose we are using refresh schedules. Suppose interview as suppose I choose an extract, but I want to update automatically, then what you do, then at the same time you can create refresh schedules. Explain that refresh schedules, it helps to automatically update extract connection. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm going to
Got
the
it.
next. Okay,
Dinesh,
so
one
this is
more
the data
question.
source. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dinesh, one question.
Can I ask, Dinesh?
Yes, Sanjay, ask question.
So let's say we have 1 lakh rows and we give that data 1 lakh row data to live and to extract. So which one will be faster, live or extract?
Live.
Extract only, no?
No,
Live
no,
will be
you are
faster.
telling. No, if you're working on the small data set, right?
Mhm.
Small data set, 1 lakh rows is the really small data, right, Sanjay?
Yeah. So live will be fast, and if I'm working with let's
Live
say
will
10
be
lakh,
fast.
then in that case,
Suppose 10,
more than
then
5
you
lakh
go to
means
the
it's
next.
extract.
Definitely. If you're working on the large data set, for suppose 15 lakh rows, 25 lakh rows, you would suppose my customer is almost crores in that. Suppose in terms, suppose my clients is come that they have a 25 crores customers. In that, there is a no choice to choose live connection,
Go for
right?
live. Yeah.
There is a no chance. If suppose 25 crore customers are there, they have, then definitely I go will extract connection, right? Instead of wasting of my time.
So what you're saying is up to 5 lakh, the system will not hang for live, and more than 5 lakh
Yeah,
means it started to hang. That's why we are going to extract so that it will be
yeah,
good. So
definitely.
extract will not hang if we have like 25 lakh rows.
No, no, no. Extract.
What is the
Why it
up
is?
limit?
Why it
Upper
is?
limit for
Okay. There is a no upper limit for extract connection. There is a no upper limit. Extract connection is nothing but you can choose those rows which you want. An extract connection is not connect with the real time data, right? It will be not take that much of time. You suppose, real time data, suppose, I'm working with the past 5 years, then think about that how many number of rows and past 5 years, then how much big data you're handling, right? And it is already connected with the live data, then it is really tough. But in the case hence extract connection, it is not connected with the real time data. That's why
Yeah.
it is not taking lot of time. So I'm going to the next slide, data source overview.
Sorry, Dinesh, one question.
Dinesh,
Yeah,
one more query.
Yeah,
Uh,
Dinesh,
what if
sorry to interrupt.
yeah.
what if we
We
have
have to attend
data
another
reside?
call, so I'm dropping off.
Okay, sure. Don't worry,
Yeah,
Abhishek. We have a
we'll get
recording
the recording.
session. We can get the
Okay.
recording. I share my the I can share my the link. You can get it at
Yeah, sure. Thanks. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.
anybody. Yeah, okay. Anybody have question? Is that?
Yeah, yeah. Dinesh, one question.
Yeah.
What if we have data residing in, like, suppose one database, MySQL database or Oracle DB or something, and it's more than like 10 rows, and we want to create a dashboard, and it's supposed to like once we create the dashboard, and we'll connect, like maybe we'll let it be connected to database, and it refreshes daily, like a daily sync, so the dashboard is updated. So how will we proceed in that, like whether we will use extract or we'll go with like how this whole thing will proceed, so the data will be keep on adding in the database, and also so it needs to be there, like the same thing needs to be added into the dashboard as well, right? So how we'll go about it, like?
So first of all, it totally depends upon dashboard requirement. Dashboard requirement is really large, then definitely there is no chance go for the extract. dashboard requirement is really small and you're working with small data set, then there is a no need to go for the extract, right? It depend upon data set, Avinash.
But what in case of like the data is more than 10 lakh rows, like it's a
Then
really
definitely you
large
need to
data
go
set.
for the extract. Definitely go for the extract connection. In that extract connection, every day you are updating the data.
Okay.
Then it take lot of time, right? For the
Mhm.
insert, you take lot of time. Then that is a no choice if you go if you need to go for the extract connection. Even that connection will be live connection, extract connection. That will be decided by the project manager. Means your who is doing that client. The client will be decided whether I want to go for the client live or extract. The client will be informed you go for the extract connection or go for live connection. uh, that mostly if for the my case my manager will be informed that go for the extract connection, but 90% chances are there go for extract connection is only 90% on project they will use extract connection only 90% cases. 90% on projects they will use extract connection only because it work more faster.
Okay, okay. So suppose like if we go with the extract connection, even if it's large data set, then then the new what happens when we have a new data set, like new data keeps on adding into the tables in database, and new data needs to reflect in the dashboard as well. So we'll need to manually refresh the data, or like in the in the dashboard, or it will, or or we'll do something like something kind
uh,
of.
Okay, that is only refresh schedules.
Mhm.
So what happened that it is not like that every day I want to update. It is kind of double work, right? Every day I want to come and I want it. So that is not necessary. There is separate option for the extract schedules where for extract connection I can create a one schedule. In that same time, data will automatically connect and update that. Suppose at the end of day 6 p.m. I want to create one extract schedule and data will be connect automatically at the same time, whatever the updates at that.
Okay, okay, got it. Thanks.
So, anybody have any question in that?
So Dinesh, companies who are dealing with big data, it doesn't make sense for them to go for live connection. They can go for the extract
Definitely.
and then go for schedule refresh.
Exact connection. Definitely.
Then most of the companies are
Most of them
dealing with big data only. Then why Tableau gave
big data.
live?
Yeah. But company can give a both scenarios, right? That's why they are give two connections. Either you want to go for live, either you go for one day extra. It's your choice.
So sometimes if the project manager wants, he can go for like 25 lakh rows with live also. It is possible sometimes.
Yeah, it's possible. It's possible, but depends upon the project, depends upon the data, with how much data they are handling, depends upon the which product they have, depends upon the data set is large or small or medium, depends upon the project client manager that what kind of their requirement. Suppose I have a big data, but I want only one dashboard. I want very small requirement. Then go for the live connection, right? It depends on the requirement as well.
Thanks.
Avinash. So I want to go for the next page Excel. Is it fine?
Yes, some more. Can go ahead.
So Avinash, can you share your screen and open Tableau Public, right? So guys, we have a time, then we will go to the if you have a okay with that today, then it's more than enough, then we'll stop here after 5 minutes. Or else you want to go for continue, then we'll take 20 to 25 minutes, or else no sir, is really more than enough and I'm okay with that today itself, then that's fine. It's up to your choice only. Because I'm the one person taking my time and taking the responsibility, I'm putting my all the efforts where you can learn the concept. It is not like, where it is not like that, it is burden, right? It is you can feel free to work on that, feel free to learn that. So now go to the data source pane. So click on the table details. Okay. So now, how many number of rows are there? Triple nine four rows are there? Triple nine four rows.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, we have nine triple nine four rows.
Hello, Dinesh, are you there?
I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, Dinesh.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm so sorry for
Yes, yes.
everyone. Suddenly, net has suddenly issue has been done from the connection, so we can start now. Sorry for that, everyone, to interrupt. Okay. Now go for now. I'm going to explain that postal code. Now type file name physical table. What this is a data, right? If you're seeing that.
Yeah.
I now
Yes.
type field name physical table. This is nothing but manage metadata. This is nothing but metadata. And now row ID orders. Again, this is nothing but now row orders, row ID, order date, ship mode, customer. This is nothing but data prepaid. Now, which is your spooling, right? That is nothing but manage metadata. Again, now in this metadata, now if you want to go to the uh, ship mode. No, here is not. Go to the here. Data prepend. Come on right side.
Right.
Right side, ship mode. Click on right click. Now we have options are there. Rename, copy values, hide, aliases. Now you can just, I want to hide ship mode, then hide it. First of all, hide it. If anything I don't want, I can hide it. So now you hide that, right? How you want to show this? Then click on the setting, right? There are the click on setting.
Where do we
Click
click
on
in?
setting. Click on
Settings.
setting. Settings.
Okay, this one. Yeah.
So there is a show hidden fields. Click on show hidden and click on show aliases as well. Now whatever the hidden fields are there, it will be shown. Again, now I want to rename itself, right? Customer name I want to rename as I want to name as first name. Customer name as the first rename as first name. Just right click rename rename as first name. So this is a way we can rename it. Now I want to split the customer data. Click on now first name is Cleargate and the second is Darren Von. Third is Sane Odinel and fourth is Brosina Hoffman, right? I want to split these names. Then first of all, click on the right click, go to the split, go to the split option. Okay, come down, drag here, go to the right side. Okay, okay. Now first name, split one, first name, split two. Clary Git. Darren, Van, Sane, Ordinal. Now I have split it into the first name is different, last name is different. Now we can rename it first name as a first name, and second is first name as a last name.
But says can't rename the field.
Okay, okay, just changes in name. Do you changes in name? First name as um, just mention customer name. Customer name.
So what if I add underscore?
In first name,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can
you
give
can
an
under
underscore also. I think that will be
underscore only. Okay,
working.
underscore. Okay, and last name you can give underscore actually. Last name underscore. This is the way we can do it. And again, click on right click. We can do a lot of changes here, right? Edit, rename, copy values, add, delete, aliases, split. So now I want to know that how many categories are there. Click on the categories, go to the categories. So how many categories are there? I want to know. Go to the describe. There is a three categories are there. Now I want to know that how many product names are there. Go to the product name, describe. Now if you say that total 1850 product names are there. Now this is the way we
Yes, sir.
can edit. This is the way we can edit, alias, describe. So these are basic things. I'm just explaining that. Okay. So now this is the from today. This is okay. From tomorrow we can start preparing the charts itself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So everybody has understand that how he's doing. So you can practice it. You can after this closing tomorrow morning you can just practice it, edit, aliases, describe, and split easily.
What does aliases mean?
Alias is nothing but suppose just 1 second. Alias is I haven't explained, right? So go to the states option. Go to the state. No, just 1 second. Suppose country. Now country is mentioned as United States, but but I want to rename as USA. So go to the aliases option,
Okay, got it. Like abbreviation type.
abbreviation type. Now just expand them. Okay, no. Okay. So members as United. Just okay. The values in the terms of values, you just need to write USA. Click on values aliases. Values aliases as mentioned as USA. USA. Click on OK. Now you can see that everything is done from USA. Previously it mentioned as United States.
United States. Okay, got
United
it.
States.
Easy one.
Got it right? So now you want to clear this. I want to back again. Then just click on setting. Okay. Um, show aliases, right? Uh, no, click on right click, in the country itself. It already click on that. So aliases. Here is the option is that clear aliases, right? Downward. Just click on that. Okay. Now it is automatically, United States.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Everyone has got
Engineer,
it right. Yeah. Sanjay, tell me.
Yeah.
left side table and the table that he's working on. I mean the big table. He just clicked on it and you said some metadata, right? This on the left side.
Yeah, it is metadata.
So what is that,
So,
and like what is the difference between this left side and the right side?
this is a data preview on the right side. Left side, it is a metadata. Metadata is nothing but column names. Column names are the order date, ship mode, first name, segment, country. These are all the column names are there. Column first name, right? Are you
Oh, okay.
understanding? Column
Yes,
first
yes.
name.
So it's just a overview of the big table. What is there inside?
Yeah. So you just configure that is there product name. Suppose is the overview of all table name, all table first name. Either you mention state is there. Either product name is there. Even order it is there. City is there. If you go to city option, city is there. City order city. So you see that city
Excuse me. Manoj. Uh,
country segment. So it is not a. It just showing
am I
the.
audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Tell me.
So could there be any scenario where field name and remote field name could have different values?
Avinash, you can speak
Yeah,
loudly.
like
Your voice is.
is it audible now?
No, you're audible now. Tell me.
Yeah. So I was asking, could there be any scenario in which case this field name and remote field name values would be different?
It not be like that because before field names and you want to be make be different. That is possible. It in that case scenario it will be different. Depends on the which data sets you are operating. Right. I can't tell that. I'm just telling
Uh,
that. Oh yeah. Tell me, Avinash.
like you said,
I
it is
think
metadata.
the
So I
name.
understood. Uh, like here we can see the basically the physical description of data, like all the columns, what data type they are having, the field names. Um, just wanted to understand like what is the purpose of this field name and remote field name if like they are just containing same values for
So later you will goes to the
I think
whenever
if we would
now.
rename the fields, then it will be different.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. The
Because
first
can you
remote
everything is
just
field
same
name
then.
shows that the
change any
initial
field?
name, and the field name shows which we have renamed. See the customer
Yeah,
name and first name.
Yeah, we can see the
exactly.
example also that it's first name and the customer
Seventh
name
row.
in that.
Yeah.
So whatever your changes has been done,
Whatever we change,
actually
it's coming on
changes
the
has
field
been
name, and
done.
It reflects in the field name column.
Correct,
yeah,
correct. Now, if we done the state as you can just any name. It will show the remote field name, right? So now you can understand betterly, right? Because of it will happen interactive, right? So please be in interactive. It will be more to be try to understand that just telling the concept, just this is the definition, this is nothing. This is not like that. More be interactive. Everyone can be understand easily. So now this is now today is enough. So we can start today preparing the charts as well, and slowly into the gather into the charts. After that we will go to the concepts like joints, again filters, again marks, cards. So today I will cover the go to the sheet one. Tomorrow I will cover pages, filters, marks. So what is the filters and what is the pages? Everything I will cover tomorrow. So today is enough, and let's start. And if anybody have a doubt, then you can ask them. Anybody have a doubt?
Dinesh, like if you learn this Tableau very well, how much salary can we expect once we get a job in as a BI developer, Tableau BI?
Hey, you you're so excited, huh?
I'm so excited.
As a fresher, you will get a 4 to 5 lakhs and minimum.
If we
How are we
become expert,
supposed to?
As an experience, you
How
will
are we
go.
supposed?
Yeah,
Yeah, continue.
yeah. Tell me, mother. Don't worry, tell me.
No, how are we supposed to save this Tableau file? Just like we
Okay,
save Excel file.
okay. Just open the screen share. This thing I'm going to explain tomorrow, but don't need to worry. Just share your screen. Because saving the file, total 6 files are there. So there's a detailed video is it. Don't worry. I'm going to explain very shortly. Click on the file itself. Go to the file. Click on save.
No, it's not clickable.
No, go to the option is there, right? Definitely option is there.
Which one?
Second. Okay. Because of Tableau Public, there no. Okay, just press Control S. Control S. Let's see.
No, nothing happens.
Okay, don't need to worry. Here is the option only saving to the Tableau Public only. Okay, let share my screen. Because it is
Okay,
Tableau Public, right?
can I directly cancel it now?
Okay,
Will the
directly
data
cancel
go?
it. No, okay, no, data is not will be go. Don't need to worry about this. We will connect
Okay,
again.
fine. Okay.
So just 1 second, I will share my screen. Now I go to the my file. If you see that lot of option, save, save as, see, Control S and save as, save as. Are you seeing?
Yes, sir. I think it's
So
available on paid
Tableau
version.
desktop version, paid version.
Okay,
Yeah.
Tableau desktop.
So
Yeah.
you can connect to the Tableau Public. First create first sign up and create account itself and connect with the Tableau Public. Then automatically you can publish all the dashboards and directly in Tableau Public. So do this tomorrow morning at any cost. So everyone, please remind, need to be create Tableau Public because why it is needed. Whatever you are creating the dashboards, right? We are going to the share into Tableau Public, and this will be showcased into the your resume itself. That's why I'm going to telling everyone create Tableau Public account and that will be connect into the Tableau Public desktop version. Okay. So tomorrow is now is more than enough. So let any doubts are there you can ask me and try to be more interactive and you also learn new things. I also learn new things. Try to be and one more thing at the end of day I have one idea. At the end of day I want to create a big community. It is not only Tableau, it is like a community that helps to each other to grow. So I'm just sharing this idea about at the end of day, but I've shared today. So I need an help, but don't need to worry. This is will be going to the at the end of day. I will tell you everything about this community and anything about the now whatever learn about doubts. Just please ask whatever doubts are there. Any doubt?
Yeah, I was having one query as you said that refresh schedulers is in extract mode only. So is that option available for the live connection too?
Live connection is not needed, right? Why it is needed to the extract schedules, right, Bhumika? If live connection is directly connect with the real-time data, right? Now I choose live data, then automatically update. Why need an extract schedules?
No, no, that refresh schedules option.
Yeah, refresh schedules. That's same schedule.
Yeah.
Refresh schedules when data set is actually is not connected with the real-time data.
Okay, so only needed for the extraction. Okay.
Yeah. So any doubt is there?
No, no, got it.
Sanjay?
Yeah. Can we get this PPT which you shared today?
I will share the PPT itself and so tomorrow, tomorrow at the same time, if you want to change the timing, anything you want to give a suggestion. So this is the first time. This is the first day which is I'm taking, right? If you taking, difficulties in the problem, right? This is an sir. You are taking, it is a going to the night time. It is a sleeping time. Can you change the timing itself? I'm ready to change the timing, but What is your opinion? I want to know that.
May
Yeah, you can go ahead. If okay with the
can
time
we make
itself,
it can we make it 9 to 11 because 8 to 10 is our dinner time. I don't know what is others dinner time, but it is mine.
okay, that is too much of night, right? Because now still people are thinking
Then
about
Dinesh, I think 8 to 10 is still.
okay, right?
Thing is because
I think
we
8 to 10 is
are
good because if
8 to 10
the
is good, right?
session extends also for half an hour, we can do that. But after 11, it will not be possible.
Yeah, it is not possible. I understand that.
Yeah,
That's why
so I
I
think it is
taking an 8 to
better
10.
to keep 8 to
Better
10
type
so
of.
we can extend the session also sometimes if
That's right.
needed.
Yeah,
Because
8 to
Yeah.
10 is good.
Even it is
so
six
okay.
to eight is also fine. 6 to 8.
6 to
Arey,
8 is
even in
fine.
yeah,
8 to
6 to 8.
10, even in 8 to 10, you can have your dinner while on the session itself.
Okay, that's a good thing only, right? Doing it. Okay. But don't need to, but 8 to 10 you're fine, then I will do it 8 to 10. Still you are facing any difficulties on anyone, then I will change the time for your preference, or else, sir, I'm fine for 8 to 10, then I will go with 8 to 10 itself. Because I want to know that what
Take
is
a
your
uh,
opinion. Yeah,
take a poll in a group. Uh, Majority wins.
majority because people's okay, let's what people's are then.
You
Everybody
can
is
try
okay
that
with the
thing.
same.
Taking a poll.
Okay, you ask the question, we raise hand.
Okay, no worry.
Yeah, we can
Uh,
raise the hands.
okay. Anybody have difficulties, then please ask. Apart from Madhuri. Okay. Apart from Madhuri, anybody don't have difficulties. Sorry, Madhuri. I think majority is not in your hand.
Yeah, it's
So
okay. I'll change
you
my
can have
dinner
your
time.
dinner.
Yeah.
majority born.
Okay. No worry. So I wish. Okay. First of all, try to do practicing every day on Tableau. I am putting my efforts. Then you should also put your efforts, right? And this is I am doing free of cost, so you should not be this is free, right? Why I want to do practicing, what is it needed, right? It is not like that. Try to do practice every day. It is for the everyone, not for the particular, it is for the everyone. Okay, so anything, then I can leave this call.
Just a suggestion.
Okay.
Uh, can you share your journey, like how you uh, trans not how
Okay,
did you go into MTech after BCom?
I'm not done in MTech. First of all, I've done my
I've
graduation in BCom.
just
Done the
yeah,
graduation in
I've
BCom.
just
Yeah, you just
okay. I went through your LinkedIn profile. You have said that I have completed my 2 years MTech. So
MTech, BCom, big. So it is completely I was in completely non-technical background, but I'm doing this kind of works. Then you can understand that data
okay,
is something you get. Data is something is not
my plan
particularly
is also
limited to
same.
the.
Even I am from BCom background.
That's fine. That's fine. Don't think about the BCom or anything. If you have good understanding about data, then it is more than enough. It is not about particularly matters that which part of you. It's matter that how do you understanding about the data and how do you work on the data. It matters a lot.
Yes, sir.
I think
So
you
that
went
is
to the
matters.
wrong LinkedIn profile, Madhura. This is the right one I shared.
Yeah, you are
Just a
sure
second.
right. And so anybody still even regarding the Tableau products, again extract connections. Any doubt in that? Please let me know. So we can wind up the meeting, right?
Dinesh,
Yes,
Yes,
Dinesh.
Srinivas. Yeah, tell me, Srinivas.
will you cover SQL part as well, like
SQL
calculation
part,
part?
I'm not sure about this SQL part. Initially, I am thinking that only try to cover only Tableau itself, because a Tableau itself it need to be complete for 10 days. And we need, again, people are asking for the tablet builder. Now you are asking for SQL. Then it is going to be, 15 days to 1 month. But people are accepted, then they need to think about this.
No, Dinesh, like you're not free. I mean, yeah, we can do the Tableau thing on the weekends only for 1 month. In between, during the weekdays, if people are free, then we can have some Tableau, I mean, SQL session.
SQL sessions, right? So
Yeah, I mean, if
initially,
you're
what we do now, yeah, that's fine. It is no, it is no. I will try to manage it. I will try to manage it my work as well. But initially, what we do now, we don't need to be, jumble like things. We do by one thing. Now we are done Tableau, then go for SQL, then go for again second next thing. If you're doing Tableau, SQL, advanced Excel, a lot of things, then you will confuse, right?
yes, yes.
It is part of jumbling, right? You are, hey, this is part, it's part of too much of jumbling. Do one thing right. Go with slowly, but better understanding. Go with the clarity. It's my opinion.
Yes, Dinesh, you're right.
Okay. So I will, it's okay to wind up the meeting and go for the dinner and enjoy your dinner.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. You teach
And
amazingly.
one more thing,
Thank you.
and one more thing, I forgot to tell you, everyone. I'm like you only. Don't call me sir as well. We don't. This is not culture about sir and again madam. This you can call me Dinesh as well because this is a nowhere culture is like sir and madam. Just call the names as well because sir is something is no big is big kind of respected that. Ignore about the sir itself because no we are very mature. Then call it Dinesh itself. Even go to the corporate if you're working on corporate, right? They never call me sir or madam itself. They call me as a name. If you even working with the manager, if you they directly talk with the names, they never call us sir or madam. Even go to the working on any corporate company. Same culture is there, right? Hello?
Thanks so
Okay,
much.
fine.
Thanks so much, guys. Thanks so much.
Yeah. And guys, from my side, I'm putting my efforts. From your side, put your efforts. Try to work on that. Because if you learn the skill, that will not waste it. That will help you at any cost, at any time. Okay?
Uh, uh,
So I'm,
Danish,
yeah, tell me.
yes. Do you have like notes because I ended up driving at some point in time, so I could not do the practical with you guys as you were doing the login. So do you have some notes that you can share with so that I can just go and make a follow up on my one?
You can do it. So now we are doing to wind up the call. Okay, team, let's wind up the call. We will meet tomorrow. Okay. Bye.
All right.
Okay. So thank you so much. And talk with your family for more.
Yeah. Thank you so much.